Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. Today I'm going over how to create a new invoice in QuickBooks Online through the accountant view. I highly recommend that if you have a point of sale style business to look into QuickBooks POS system. It's incredible and obviously connects directly to your QBO account. You can add in your staff, set up QuickBooks time. It's amazing and many people don't know about it, so I thought I would share. This view of QuickBooks is for accountants and my fellow home bookkeepers. If you are a business owner, go ahead and check out my Business Owner View playlist or request a tutorial in the comments below. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Sales tab on the left-hand side toolbar. Once inside the Sales screen, you'll see anything you have left remaining to set up. To create your new invoice, click on the Invoices tab. This screen will give you an overview on your last 365 days of overdue invoices and current invoices you have out that aren't due yet, along with the last 30 days of invoices paid and not yet deposited, along with your recent deposited invoices. To create your invoice, click the green Create Invoice button. Once you are inside the invoice screen, select the customer you wish to invoice. If you have set up the customer profile completely, then their data should auto-populate. If it does not, then I highly recommend fully completing their customer profile. Next, you can select payment terms, either 60 days, 30 days, 15 days, 10 days, or due upon receipt. Make sure to double check your dates and then move on to completing the rest of your invoice. Selecting product and service data, quantity, rate, amount, and if you need to apply sales tax or not. You can leave a message, attach files, and once you're finished, you can click the green Save and Send button on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This will prompt a preview of what your invoice will look like to your customer. Ensure all information is correct again. Accounting has a 3-check rule. It's all about the details and accuracy. And there you have it. You just created your first invoice for your client. For more business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And for even more behind-the-scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you need more assistance, personal financial coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.